Spirit 2010. We have kept the name of 2010 from Spirit 75. And this association, Harshad Bapna, he was the General Secretary, and they have got the total team. I think whoever the member of the team are there can also come because they did a wonderful job, and we must apologize for this cause. All the people.
चलो चलो यार
This association, ladies and gentlemen, they have done the complete Spirit 75, which was Spirit 2010, which was a record. They done a very, very good job. Please give a big hand to all these people. And today we are going to they were elected that time. The new team has come, and now they are handing it over to the new team. Now may I request the new team, the president is going to be Mr. Ashok Johri, who will hand to the new association. So lot of what do you want to start?
Yes.
What?
आ रहा हूँ
सर किस तरफ
Thank you, Mr. Rajan Singh ji. I now request Shri Harshad Bapna, President Malad Alumni Association, to honor our chief guest, Shri Rajan Singh.
राजेंद्र भाई स्पिरिट 75 के पीछे खड़े हुए हम स्पिरिट 2010 का मेमेंटो उनको उसी याद को ताजा करते हुए दे रहे हैं.
Sir.
Thank you, Mr. Johri. I would now request Mr. Harjeet Shrivastava to honor the Director Malad, Dr. Apu Kotan KK, for his great support to the alumni.
Sir, थोड़ा सर
उस साइड से हाँ
Thank you, Mr. Harjeet. I would now request Mr. Arvind Malviya to kindly honor Mr. Shelling.
बड़े भाई द्वारा छोटे भाई का स्वागत. कि भाई शैलेंद्र शर्मा मुख्यमंत्री जी के प्रतिनिधि के तौर पर यहाँ आए हैं। मेरा तो छोटा भाई है ही है। तो जो मुख्यमंत्री जी को हम मेमेंटो देना चाहते थे, उन्होंने 2010 में स्पिरिट में जो हमारी मदद करी थी, उसकी यादगार में हम उनको मेमेंटो जो देना चाहते थे, वो हम भाई शैलेंद्र के माध्यम से उन तक पहुंचाने चाहेंगे। धन्यवाद।
I would now request Shri Kamal K. Singh to kindly address the function and share some old moments.
Deputy Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha, Shri Alok, Member of Parliament, Shri Shailen Sharma, Dr. Apu Kuttan, my fellow alumni, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure for me to be here. In fact, coming here now, this is my second visit to Bhopal. Beyond 70s, when I used to come here more after the college as an entrepreneur. I had Bhopal being the capital, I used to visit it quite often. But then when I shifted to Bombay in 1980, thereafter the first chance for me was to come here in 2010 when the Golden Jubilee was there, and I was very, very impressed by the kind of function, the kind of facilities which the college had, and by meeting all the alumni and the faculty members. Able to give this incubation and innovation center to Manet. We at Tolta believe fundamentally into education as a pillar of our corporate social responsibility. We are through our foundation, which is the arm for corporate social responsibility for Tolta Group of companies. 18,000 schools in India through CBSE have been introduced with geospatial technologies as subject from class 11th and 12th. This was done by Kapil Sibal, the earlier HRD minister. And Tolta has introduced the curriculum, is supporting the training of the staff, and has given software. This has already rolled out into almost 500 schools. And in next 3 years, it is expected to roll out to almost all the 18,000 schools. We have committed more than 150 crores for this project itself. The idea is that right from 11th and 12th, the skills should be developed. What is important in today's environment is that at every stage, the skills are developed so that employability, so that the students can become productive as soon as they come out from various institutions. Of course, most of the people want to go to college, but there are some people who can only go up to schools. Those who want to go to college, I think, can do into the geospatial technologies. Geospatial has been one of the great technologies. To give you an idea, today 80% of the world data is location enabled. Every industry, everything, geospatial is a technology. And we have introduced this technology in India. And we are counted amongst the top 5 companies in the world which have end-to-end geospatial software depth and breadth of indigenous IP, which is being used for various places. For example, complete Indian defense for military intelligence. We have deployed our systems all across the country. for various missiles, lot of our technologies are being used. Management of battlefield, for which we are working along with Bharat Electronics, which is our partner. There are so many things in defense where we are doing a lot of technology work. We are working in almost 40 countries around the world. We have our location, presence in these countries. So today also in Manet, when this incubation and innovation center was being inaugurated, I expressed a desire that there should be a center of excellence set up for big data and analytics, which is the cutting edge of technology today. And if we set up a center like that, then that can give opportunity to the students to enhance their skills, to become very innovative, and to also become their market value enhances almost 5 to 10 times. So if a fresh guy would get 3 to 4 lakhs of rupees as a salary, once he has done some of these kind of things, his salary can start from 15 lakhs. So that is the first thing. But then if the students are able to do something which is more innovative, they can develop various applications, apps. And some of those apps can be worth billions of dollars. I can give you a small example that a simple app that how you can get the taxi which is the nearest taxi to you has been developed by a company which is just a 3 or 4 year old company, and they have been given valuations of almost $7 billion. So these are the kind of things which can be done through these kind of technologies. And if you have to set up a center like that in a commercial manner, the investment will be in excess of $1 million. It will be more than 5-6 crores. But because we have a lot of technologies, because of the fact that we have very strategic partnerships for world leaders like SAP, Oracle, etc., we'll be able to bring these technologies and set up this center at a cost of almost 1 crore of rupees. And that is why I offered that, subject to the fact that Dr. Kuttan is able to take approval of his board of directors to ensure that technical staff updated and upgraded on a constant basis and support the students, will be willing to make this investment. Now, I am sure, and yesterday when I was participating in a small function which was organized by our key alumni friends who were here, I expressed a thought that one of the things which our alumni should do, and probably this association can do, is to collect a fund. I've been told that there are almost 10,000 alumni whose address and everything is recorded with the institution. And I am sure that each one of us can give a reasonable amount of 8,000-10,000 rupees. Somebody will give little more, somebody will give little less. But if there is a fund of almost 10 crores of rupees collected in this fashion, then that can be a corpus. And that corpus can be used, and the interest of that corpus can be used to do various things, various activities, which can be of use for the college, for the Manet. And that can make a hell of a lot of difference in terms of how the alumni can really make contribution to bring Manet to the next level. And I think that is something which my suggestion is, it is for you people to execute. If you do something like this, it will be very well supported by us. Various levels. I mean, all whom I have been able to meet have done very well in life, and that shows that, and they are in various walks of life. I mean, they are in business, they are in politics, like Dr. Rajan was saying. Suresh Bhai, who was there earlier, I saw him. They are in military. You talk of Major General Shyam. So, into various other organizations, they have done a great job, which shows the quality of people which have come out of this institution, which has been an institution which has come up very well in last 50 plus years. And I am sure that with all the support which now all these academic institutions are getting from government as well as from all of us, this will be an institution which will continue to do a great job for the nation. With these words, I thank you all for honoring me, and I once again thank all of you for giving me all the momentous. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Kamaljeet Singh. Remarkable achievement.
शानदार शाम में यहाँ मंचा सिंह, आज के इस कार्यक्रम के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि मेरे बड़े भाई आदरणीय डॉक्टर राजन सिंह जी, परम आदरणीय जिनका हम सब ने भी सम्मान किया, आदरणीय कमल के सिंह जी। और जब कमल मेरे मुंह से निकलता तो मेरा चेहरा अपने आप खिल जाता है। आदरणीय डॉक्टर अपू कुट्टन जी, मेरे साथ पधारे आज के इस कार्यक्रम के अतिथि, वैसे सही मायने यही अतिथि हैं, इंजीनियर श्री शैलेंद्र शर्मा जी। सच मानिए तो आज की शाम में मैं लाया गया तो उसमें मेरे बहुत बड़े भाइयों का श्रेय है। जब मैं छात्र राजनीति में काम करता था तो पीके भाई साहब से हमेशा मिलता रहता था। पीके सक्सेना जी, जौहरी भाई साहब, बाफना जी, भाई साहब मेरे परिवार के ही हैं, छोटे छोटे से घर खेला करते थे।